Hello and welcome to how to create a basic web page. So today we're going to kick this off, just get right into it. Now to create a basic web page with this particular video, you just need a few things. You're going to need a web browser like Chrome, Firefox like you see here. I'm going to be using Firefox. Then you're going to need a text editor that can do plain text files. That's very important, plain text. Notepad is probably the best for Windows users. It's very simple and it comes with Windows. So get that opened up. Once we get into Notepad, first thing you're going to want to do is go up to File and Save As. This way we already have the whole page set up and we don't forget to save later. Now first you're going to want to note where you're saving it to. I'm going to save it to the desktop just for ease. Down in the name field, you're going to want to type double quote index.html and another double quote. And then just make sure in the Save As type drop down you've selected text documents .text. It's pretty important. Won't get into that right now, but just make sure you have that selected. Okay, so now we're ready to move on and start coding. The first thing we're going to type is a tag that opens everything up for the page. And this is going to be this little caret here, or whatever you want to call it, HTML, and then we're going to type another one with a slash HTML. And that just tells the browser that, hey, we're making a web page. It's HTML. Be ready for it. And that starts us all off. And this is also what you call a declaration. Again, we're not going to get into that. It's a little too complicated. Next, we're going to give our page a name or a title. Start off with a head tag. It's the opening head tag. See, there's the opening title tag, which actually titles the page. Just go ahead and type my first web page or whatever you feel like typing in there. I'm going to close that title tag out and then close the head tag out. And once you get that done, go ahead and go up to File and Save. And then we'll be able to open our page and check out our fancy new title. So I'm going to hit save here. See here, my hands are just a little bit slower than my brain today. There you go. Going to right click on this. There it is right there. So just right click, go up to open. And here we are. It's a blank web page. Beautiful, isn't it? You can see my toolbar there with all my links. Right there, my first web page. That's where your title will be. Anything you type in between those title tags is going to show up there. All right, so let's do something about this blank white page. It's kind of boring. Go ahead and drag this over here and use that Windows 10 snapping feature. I love that. Great for coding and programming. Okay, so let's put some text in here. And we're going to go ahead and use the paragraph tags for this. And really, these tags don't have much meaning. But the paragraph tags will allow you to group certain things together just like you would in a paragraph. It comes in handy later on when you get to be more advanced and you need really particular formatting. This is the opening paragraph tag. It's just those little sideways carets with a P in there. And you type whatever you want. We're going to do hello world because that's just the standard first time putting anything in a program statement. Hello world. Now close that paragraph tag out. Go ahead and hit File, Save. Come over here and click our refresh button on the browser and watch the magic happen. Boom, hello world. And you are now a programmer of sorts. So that was very simple. Hope you learned a little bit. But if you want to learn more, there are a lot of great sites on the internet for this. My favorite one is going to be w3schools.com. I'm going to go ahead and get this pulled up for you real quick here and watch me type the whole thing out because that's what I like to do. W3schools.com they have lessons and tutorials for pretty much any language that has to do with the internet. You can learn a lot through here, and a lot of these languages such as JavaScript and all of the server-side scripting you see there can be used in other situations, not just the web. So keep that in mind. Feel free to learn as much as you can, and thank you for watching the video.